We'll start wrapping them up, right? We'll get your hat.
Formation will get rejoined and they'll re-enter for landing. We'll be watching that as they come in.
We're going to look at this guy and then we'll start wrapping them up, right? We'll get your hat.
Formation will get rejoined and they'll re-enter for landing. We'll be watching that as they come in.
Normally this airplane is powered by a 100 horsepower motor. There's only one problem. Seeing as how by the end of World War II, heavy industry was nothing but wreckage and rubble. Finding parts of that engine was almost impossible. With a modern aircraft engine, he's cranking out about 300 horsepower in his airplane. The original engine was only 100 horsepower, so this and as you can see, this is a very agile airplane. It has good vertical performance, but it's also high. Now he's going to rack this airplane around quite a bit because he wants to demonstrate the maneuverability and the terrific flying characteristics of this airplane. In World War II, this was Germany's advanced trainers. Look at Jerry out there trying to double the aircraft. He's having way too much fun demonstrating the aerobatic where they are at the time. Jerry goes back up onto the vertical here. He holds the airplane. This is not fly like an airplane made its debut in 1935, but yet here it is. I just got word that a good buddy of mine got checked. Based down at the airport has one of these. I believe he was working on the
Outside the barracks, by the corner lines, I'll always stand and wait for you at night. We will create a world for two. I'll wait for you the whole night through. For you will lay my name. For you will lay my name. You love tonight, don't you play the call to arms. I want another evening with a chance. Then we will say goodbye and God. I'll always keep you in my heart with me. My name with me. If I I can hold. My love for you relieves my mind.
Yeah, I make sure I got Instagram
I'm again.
network.
My pack is light.
No,
It's you.
I've not seen Tim.
It's you really for me.
No.
And finally, the song that is most requested when you write your letters into command performance, Falling in Love Again. To me like moth around the flame, and if their wings burn, I know I'm not to blame. No? Falling in love again, never wanted to.
Apparently there's another room.
What am I to do? I just can't help myself. I've loved singing for you this afternoon. It's filled my heart with such joy. And please remember that joy and love are what we are fighting for, no? Keep it in your heart and don't forget to have a little bit of fun. For any veterans out there, can you please wave your hand and can we please give all the veterans a round of applause, please? For the beauty and the safety we are here enjoying. There we are, bird in the sky. Can't help it. Men cluster to me like moss on the flame. And if their wings burn, I know I'm not to blame. Falling in love again, never wanted to. What am I to do? Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Thank you.
And the ships will sail again on the river. Then we'll have time for things like wedding rings and free hearts we'll see when the lights come on
Dawn O'Day, the wonderful Dawn O'Day, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Hollywood. Don't worry, she will be back later on to sing a couple more songs. And now
That's not. Oh, this check. So Rosa, we're not gonna be able to do Boogie. But do you want to stand up and show everybody your adorable costume? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rosa. Look at this costume. She has tap shoes in her costume that she did in her dance recital to Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy. And I just think it deserves a little love on such a special weekend. All right, I'm just gonna leave this microphone here. No, there's a big mic here, so I'll just. No, it's fine. Is it cross? I'm just gonna do this. That's what I was trying to do. No, mic off. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna kick off our set with a little collab, which the Andrews Sisters love to do. But instead of Bing Crosby, we've got our very own Frank. Frank, you wanna come join us?
Okay. All right, folks, so we're gonna do a Bing Crosby duet, or a collaboration, like you said, collab,
Yeah,
right?
a collab.
A Bing Crosby 1944 song that he did with the Andrews Sisters called Is You Is or Is You Ain't My Baby. Louis Jordan, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Well, I've got a gal who's always late. Every time we have a date, but I love her. Yes, I love her.
He's gonna walk up to my gate and see if he can get it straight. 'Cause he loves her. He's gonna ask her.
Is you is or is you ain't my baby? The way you're acting lately makes me down. You is still my baby, baby. See my flame and your heart's done gone out. Thank you, girl.
A woman is a creature that has always been strange. Just when you're sure of one you find, she's gone and made a change.
Is you is or is you ain't my baby? Maybe baby's found somebody new. Or is my baby still my baby true? What do you got, girls?
Is you or is you ain't my baby, baby, baby boy? The way you're acting lately makes me doubt.
Say here, who's been cutting me?
You're still my baby, 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 baby boy. It seems my flame in your heart's done gone out.
Ah, a blackout. A woman is a creature that has always been strange. Just once you're sure of one you have, she's gone and made a change. She took my change. Is you is or is you ain't my baby? Maybe baby's found somebody new. Maybe baby's found somebody. Is my baby still my baby true? American sweethearts, folks. I'll be back in a little bit. Thank you. She took my change.
Thank you, Frank. What a treat. I know. We don't always get to have such a lovely...
Office of Price Administration, or OPA for short. Citizens like you have received ration books which contain stamps needed to buy products. Your grocer needs to witness you tearing off each stamp in order to prevent the use of counterfeit or bartered stamps.
Well, thank you. How are you doing today?
Hi, Bob. Hi, fellas.
Hey, so Don, you know, it's really wonderful to see a young star up and coming.
Oh, well, thank you, Bob. And it's nice to see an oldster holding his own.
Oh, well, thank you, I think. But, ladies and gentlemen, my favorite gal in Hollywood has fast become the favorite of all the GIs overseas. And we've been receiving a lot of letters from all those GIs requesting...
So if you're looking for a song to brush up on your 1940s slang with words like swell or hep to the jive, this song is a good start. It's rife with 40s slang, so see if you can pick out what the meaning behind some of the words might be. Finally found a fella, almost completely divine, but his vocabulary is killing this romance of mine. We get into an intimate situation, and then begins this Romeo's conversation. He says murder, he says every time we kiss, he says murder, he says at a time like this, he